a little instrument change here. We're gonna have a little claw hammer banjo picking here. Once he gets a little claw hammer banjo in hand.
And this thing has an actual skin head on it, so it likes to move around when anything changes. Which is why they stopped using these a long time ago. Replaced them with plastic. All right, so this song, I figured we could do a 2-for-1. We could get some Canadian content to comply with our CanCon laws, and also some winter content since it's December. This is a tune written by Chris Cool from Toronto.
Hell yeah.
Loves Maze String Band, Foggy Hogtown Boys, and this is one called "Skating on the Harbourfront."